tell you, the worst thunderstorms I have ever seen have been in the month of December.
Yeah.
And this is the secondary storm season. We're in January now, but I'm telling you, never, in this latitude, never let your guard down.
Yes, absolutely. It just shows you just how quick the warm air can move back in. It was pretty cold late last week. And then we started to warm things up for us. Yes, quickly. And there was enough instability and wind shear in the atmosphere. That's what led to the heavy rain and then some of the severe storms that they experienced in southeast Texas to Louisiana, and us too. Here in Deep East Texas, we had some problems as well. Look at the storm reports. These go back to Saturday into Sunday. You'll notice the hail report near Nacogdoches. That was a strong to severe thunderstorm that produced ping pong ball size hail on Saturday late afternoon into the evening. Of course, we had some flooding concerns too. I'll show you some of the flooding amounts in just a moment. But this dot here that's right along the Toledo Bend Lake, that's indicating wind damage. The National Weather Service got to Sabine County today. They spent a lot of the day today and yesterday over in Sabine Parish where they found an additional tornado. But in Sabine County, near the Toledo Bend Lake, near Sabine Town, the city, that's where we had wind damage. It was not associated with a tornado, but we were tracking a tornado-warned storm there early on Sunday morning. Now look at how much rain fell. Hemphill, radar estimate close to 4.5 inches. You get along the San Augustine, Sabine County line near the Pineland area, 6.4. Let's expand the view out. Look at all the rain going all the way back down into southeast Texas. Radar estimates close to almost 9 inches into the northeast of Houston and northwest of the Beaumont area. That is a lot of water that came down all in less than a 24-hour span. Well, speaking of rain chances, we could really use a few more. We don't have much in the next 7 days. Small rain chance for tomorrow, maybe a brief shower on Saturday. 2 cold fronts over the next 7 days. Really not expecting to see a whole lot of rainfall, which is not good. We have drought-like conditions that continue to increase. We're in a severe drought in East Texas. We enjoyed the sunshine today. That was one plus. We really needed it. It didn't give us much yesterday. Today, we were able to see a lot of it. That pushed temperatures into the middle and the upper 50s. It certainly did not feel like that at all. Overnight tonight, our temperatures right now are in the 30s for us, already down to 34 in Gilmer and 32 in Marshall, 36 in Jacksonville, looking at 35 in Kennard, 44 in Hemphill, Huntington at 38 degrees. Now we will have a cold start tomorrow morning. I expect temperatures to dip down into the middle and the upper 20s, just below freezing, and some patchy frost expected. For tomorrow, clouds picking up. We'll go for about a 10-20% chance for a couple of light showers. I'm not anticipating a whole lot. We'll keep those temperatures on the cooler side as we have some of this rainfall moving in. There's Futurecast showing that we'll start with the sun and then the clouds begin to pick up into the afternoon. Doesn't look like we'll see a whole lot of rainfall out of this system, but the clouds will continue at least into Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then we'll look for sunshine. We won't get our next front here until on Saturday. So things are looking fairly good, at least for now, over the next few days. Thursday and Friday, warmest days. We're going to push the upper 60s and near 70. Cold front 1 on Saturday, another cold front on Monday. Similar forecast here in Deep East Texas. The key takeaway here, just not enough Gulf moisture to produce all the widespread rain like what we had from the weekend.